This presentation introduces you to symbIoTe, a middleware that enables interoperability among IoT platforms. Today, IoT has dynamically entered our everyday life, with a variety of applications to be the spice of IoT, from smart homes to smart cities to smart buildings or even smart campuses. However, this variety may become inefficient in some cases, especially from the user perspective. Imagine I am a student living in my connected home, where I use an app to interact with it. Then, I take my bicycle and ride across the city, interacting with citywide sensors and data available to me, now using a different app. Finally, I arrive at my campus. I launch the university's app, which tells me where my next lecture takes place and how to get there. It becomes obvious that switching apps when interacting with different smart environments is not very efficient. And this holds true for other cases as well, like the case of an owner of a smart building where multiple IoT platforms are installed, and in some cases, the same type of sensors are deployed in the same spaces. This isn't very smart, is it? Let's for the moment forget about IoT and talk about interoperability, looking at a familiar example for some of you. This is Douglas Adams, the writer of the fiction novel The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. In the novel, Douglas Adams introduces the Babelfish, a creature that enabled interoperability for cross-galaxy verbal communication. You simply stick this creature in your ear, and you can understand any form of spoken language. Why not introduce such an approach for IoT platforms? Let's think of a hypothetical application, the universal light switch. What if you had a single app that allowed you to switch on the lights in your home, the lights in your office, and possibly in some public spaces? This app would involve interaction between a multitude of IoT platforms and devices. So this is where symbIoTe comes into play. symbIoTe is the Babelfish for IoT platforms, a piece of software that is attached to IoT platforms to make them interoperable. In other words, symbIoTe allows platforms to open APIs and expose selected devices to third parties, using the same language with customized access rights. Due to the variety of IoT solutions, there's no one-size-fits-all solution to approach IoT interoperability. That's why symbIoTe adopts a layered approach. On the first level, we introduce the symbIoTe Core Services, a search engine-like service where platforms can advertise exposed IoT resources and third-party systems and apps can search for and access these resources. This works as a global service for public IoT resources. On the second level, we offer a distributed version of the core services, allowing for IoT platform federations. That is, forming and operating closed groups of IoT platforms where they can advertise, search, and use the shared resources in a more direct and controlled manner. On the third level, we introduce interoperability on the gateway space. This means that for IoT gateways that are in proximity, we allow them to interact and exchange IoT resources without needing the cloud or the internet. On the last level, we build upon level 2 and/or level 3 and allow for smart devices to roam across smart spaces, thus being automatically discovered and configured to operate within the new environment. In our project, we demonstrate the utility of the solution through 5 use cases: smart residence, smart campus, smart mobility, smart yachting, and smart stadium. We don't want to limit ourselves to the planned trials. We seek to collaborate with companies outside our consortium, as well as to make more platform collaborations and develop new IoT solutions and applications. So what we actually offer is funding through our open calls for third parties to join us and make their IoT platforms symbIoTe compliant and help us validate our solutions and services. This period we are running our second open call, which was launched on the 31st of October, will remain open until the end of January of 2018. We offer €50,000 to up to 10 winning solutions, and we are looking for IoT platform owners, IoT gateway and smart device manufacturers, application developers, and end-user communities. In fact, we already started collaborating with third parties. These are our first open call winners and their IoT platforms: OptionsNet with their platform SAMI, Terracom with their platform QR Patrol, and FinCons with their platform SoundMap. symbIoTe is brought to you by 14 partners across Europe, which collaborate for the design and implementation of this multi-layer solution. If you are interested in Symbiote interoperability framework, please don't hesitate to contact us to discuss collaboration and funding opportunities, or visit our website and learn more. Thank you for watching.